Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you 6 websites where you can learn digital marketing for free. So one of the biggest skills that can help you to start and scale your online business is digital marketing. And digital marketing entails using the internet and online-based digital technologies and platforms to promote your services and products. So any form of marketing or promotion that you do online is under digital marketing, which means that there are several niches and skills that come under digital marketing. And some of these niches include SEO, which is the search engine optimization, content marketing, we have the social media marketing, the email marketing, and the analytics, and so many others. So these are the basic skills that come under digital marketing, and they are very high in demand because every brand and business these days want to be in front of their audience, and everyone is online. There are millions of people online daily, every day, so these businesses want to be in front of them. So, and the only means through which they could reach all these people is through digital marketing. Okay, so before we explore these websites, please give this video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. All right, let's jump right into it. Okay, the first website is the Google Digital Garage. So this is like a platform hosted by Google, and it has 3 categories. We have the digital marketing, career development, and the data tech. So in this video, we're interested in the digital marketing. So when you come here, you click on digital marketing, and here we have the fundamentals of digital marketing. And this course has 26 modules, and it will last for 40 hours. So you have 40 hours on this module, on this course. So you click on it, and then it brings you into this page where you explore everything about this course. And you can see here is a beginner course, and you can take this course absolutely for free. Okay, so the modules included in this course include the online opportunity, your first step in online success, build your web presence, and so many others. There are 26 of them. So all you need to do is to sign up, and then you click on start the course, and then you're on your way to earning a digital marketing certificate from Google. Okay, the second website is edX. Okay, so here in edX you sign up for free, and then edX is a platform that hosts so many courses. You can find so many courses here on edX. Okay, all you have to do is come here, we'll look for digital marketing. Okay, so these are digital marketing courses. There are several of them you could find here. Fundamental of digital marketing. You click here, you could see here that this course is for free and it's just for 4 weeks. You could take it 3 to 5 hours per week. Okay, so this course is also for free on edX. So you click and then you start off the course. The third website here we have Udemy. Okay, this is another great platform where you can take any course of your choice. Udemy has several courses that you can go ahead to take. So we're looking at digital marketing. Okay, so as you can see here, these are digital marketing courses, but these are paid courses. So we're looking for the free courses. So all we're going to do is to filter it for the free. We're going to filter for free digital marketing course. And then it brings us to this page. We'll come here and then we'll click on free, and it will give us the free courses. So as you can see here, these are free courses that you can take here on this website. Okay, we have here the digital marketing basic course, free digital marketing mastery course. So there are several of them. You just choose one and then you go ahead and begin the course. Okay, the next website is FutureLearn. So here we have this digital skills, digital marketing course that you can take, and this course duration is for 2 weeks, and as you can see here, is absolutely for free. The weekly study is for about 2 hours, and you take this course at your own pace. Okay, all you have to do is come in here, register, and then you go ahead and take the course. The next website is the HubSpot. Okay, so this website offers several digital courses that you can take. As you can see here, you have digital marketing certificate course, there's YouTube marketing, there is Excel, there's ask training. There's so many courses that this platform offers. Okay, but today we're interested in the digital marketing course. So all you have to do is click on the digital marketing certificate course, you sign up, and then you take your course, and at the end of it you get a certificate. Okay, and the last website to be looking at will be Coursera. Okay, so Coursera offers so many courses. Some are free and some are paid. Okay, you will also find so many digital marketing courses. I've just simply picked up on this one. Okay, this is the foundations of digital marketing and e-commerce. All right, so this course is really not for free. This enroll for free you see here is like a 7-day trial that Coursera gives you on the course, after which you'll be charged. That's after which you begin to pay. Okay, but if you want to get this course absolutely for free and the certification for free, I have a video in my channel. I'll link it in the description box and also up here in the video. Okay, so that you could watch it, and where I walked you through how you can get courses on Coursera for free. Okay, so there are step-by-step process you need to go through to get certification courses on Coursera. Okay, so I'll link the video so you'll be able to go through and access this course. All right, so that's it for today. We have explored 6 websites where you could learn digital marketing for free. Okay, so all you have to do is go through these websites. I'll link the websites in the description box so you can just click through them. All you have to do is choose any of the websites and begin your journey to earning a digital marketing certificate. Okay, with your certificate you could get a job as a digital marketer, you could become a freelancer, you could open up a digital marketing agency, and if you own a business or if you run a business, you could also implement the knowledge in your business and scale your business. So that's all from me today. Once again, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.